Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, I have all 12 of the Gel Bottle Ink Australia summer colours sitting here on my desk. The lovely Penny sent them to me and I am going to swatch them all for you. I'm going to pop the names on the screen just so you can see what the colours are like, and then I'm going to do a summer tutorial. So I'm not going to talk too much. Everything that I use will be linked in the description bar below. I am going to use my summer plate, my latest summer plate, the Dixie Plates Summer 02 plate. So that is going to be what I'm going to be stamping with. And as I said, everything else will be linked below. So let's get straight into it and have a look at the colours. done, and I have finished off with the Gel Bottles No Wipe top coat. So I've done them in the order, I've laid them out here in the order that I swatched them. So they are absolutely beautiful. They're really, really lovely and bright. Now I hope this one is showing up as neon orange, because it is. So what I've done is I've picked 5 colours, which I'll link the ones that I use. I'll put an asterisk next to the ones I use. So that is what I've done. Very, very bright and not like me at all. But I wanted to use 5 colours, so then I did opal over the top of each of them. So opal is this end one here, and it's got these really gorgeous, beautiful glitter bits, and it's actually picking up the colour, the base colour that I've used. I feel like the sparkles are actually the same colour. It's kind of picked them up. So with the pink, it's got more pink sparkles, orange, more orange sparkles, etc. So, super love these colours. These are going to be featured on my channel a lot more. And yeah, I've done a manicure that I would not normally wear. So I've gone right out of my comfort zone to do something nice and bright and summery there. Now I should mention as well, this stamping, it kind of gives you, I've only done it on these 2 fingers, but it kind of gives you that shadow effect. Now I saw this on Sarah Richardson's channel the other day. So Sarah R, I was inspired by her for them. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I will link all of these up below, as I said, everything else I use, the stamper, the polishes, etc. Thumbs up if you like the video. If you have any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. As I said, I'll link the products, and please subscribe if you haven't. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.